Hello and welcome to the Magic Pencil. I'm Andrew and this is
Yulia.
And Yuli, what are we going to be drawing today?
Yoda.
We're going to be drawing Yoda. Please subscribe to our channel and press the bell if you'd like to receive notifications. If you enjoy our tutorial, don't forget to give us a thumbs up.
If you like us.
Shall we get started?
Yes!
Right, so let's think about where we're going to place it. So the feet are going to be about there. The body is going to be a small body and the head is going to be about here. So we kind of want to get it in the centre, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, and to make things look a bit cuter, you want to make the face a bit fatter. So instead of doing it round, we're going to do like an oval, okay? So the first bit is here. We're going to do like that and then stop. Really good. Okay, and then just in a little bit, right there, I'm going to do a diagonal, slightly curved diagonal line, like that. Yeah, and then we're going to do the same on the opposite side, like that. Okay, and then from here, I'm going to join that up to there, like a leaf shape. Yeah. Really good, and we'll do the same on this side. Okay, and then I'm going to do another curved line from here, joining up to the tip. That's good, and do another one that side. Okay, now we're going to follow on that oval shape, so the oval would go round this way. So I'm not pressing on the paper, but I'm just taking the pen for a walk, so it would be about there. And then on this side it would be round and it would be about there. So I've made two little dots. Yeah. And then I'm going to join those together like that. Okay, so to make them look cute, we're going to drop the eyes low and wide apart. Okay, so I'm going to put a circle here and another circle there. That's it. And then we're going to do our usual thing, which is drawing another little circle inside, just to the right hand side. That's it. And then let's colour that bit in. Okay. Right. Let's give him a little smile. Bang in the middle. Just a tiny little smile like that. Okay. Oh, I forgot to do the creases in his ears. So let's do a little curvy line that side and that side. That's it. Really good. Right. He's got two little dots for his nostrils. Now, because he's kind of like half elf, half crocodile, he's kind of got like a scaly forehead. So first of all, I'm going to do a curve like that, then another little curve, and then another curve like that. That's it.
Evil.
Does it make him look evil? I don't think he looks that evil. But anyway, I'm going to do a line like that. I hope he doesn't look evil because he's on the side of the good guys, isn't he? Yeah, and then I'm going to do another little line that way and another little line that way. I'm going to do some little curves going like that, and those are his little scales. Right, he's also got, really odd, he's got hair as well as scales, and normally things that are scaly aren't hairy, so we do like a couple of little cloud shapes at the top. That's it.
Alien.
Yeah, and then we do a couple of little clouds underneath there like that. Looking great, really. Okay, so the next thing is under where the mouth is, we're going to do like a little V shape like that. Got that? And then he's got like a karate suit, so we're going to extend that line to there and join it up. Okay, and then if I do two horizontal lines, that's his belt. Okay, and then I'm going to drop down a little bit.
It's like an equal sign.
Yeah, like an equal sign. That would have been a better way to explain it. I'm going to do another horizontal line just like that, smaller and in the middle. Okay? Okay, right. Now I'm going to do a diagonal line going this way and a diagonal line going that way. But I'm just going to curve it and flick it out a little bit like that. Okay, and then I'm going to do another one in the same direction, and another one in the same direction that way. Really cool. Okay, now I'm going to do like a sideways V, so I'm going to go like that and like that. Okay, so that's the folds of his jacket. Then I'm going to do a diagonal line coming out that way. I'm going to do a little diagonal line pointing up almost to where his ear is, tiny little one like that. And then I'm going to do another diagonal line going out like that. Okay, and on this side I'm going to do a little bit of a line there, and then I'm going to do a diagonal line that way. Okay, so if I do a straight line going down like that, that's his sleeve. Up there, just joining that to that. And then for his hand, I'm just going to do a triangle like that. Got like another little V sign, and then I'm going to do two V's like that. Okay, that's it. Now for his legs, starting from in here, I'm going to draw a diagonal line that way. And then I'm going to do another diagonal line that way. Diagonal line like that, and then I'm going to do another diagonal line like that. Okay, and then if I just sort of curve it up like that, those are his trouser legs. Cool. Now for his feet, kind of like his hands, I'm going to go down and across first of all, down and across first of all like that. Okay, and then I'm going to go and do like a triangular shape like that. That's it. And then I'm going to do another sort of triangle behind. That's it. Okay, it's looking good, isn't it? Right, so now we've got to do this arm. So draw another line just in like that. Now here I'm going to draw a line down like that. And then I'm going to do another triangle for his thumb, and I'm going to do a line like that, and then from there I'm going to do another little V like that shape. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a triangle coming out like that. That's good, so that's the handle of his lightsaber. I'm going to do a diagonal line that way, and then I'm going to do a little line like that. Yeah, and then at the top I'm going to do another little tiny triangle just there. And then I'm going to do a bigger line, and two little bits like that. Okay, and then we're going to do a straight line across that way. Okay, so then I just need to join that bit up, just holding that bit, and join this bit. Those are just the bits that I've got. So you just need to draw, do you know, see where the sleeve is? Join that up to there, and draw it across the sleeve. Okay, I'm going to put a little bit of a shadow in, so that we can see that he's standing on the ground. And then I think it's time for us to colour him in. Okay. Wow, what an amazing picture of Yoda.
Crocodile.
Give us a high five. Please subscribe to our channel. Press the bell if you'd like to receive notifications. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, please give us a thumbs up.
If you like us.
If you have any comments and suggestions, please put them in the comments box below. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you soon.